Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we are featuring a blend that is excellent for taking a deep breath after a long day. Organic Relief Stress Tea is a blend of 5 herbs shown to help alleviate anxiety and stressors. Naturally caffeine-free, Rooibos helps to reduce the risk of triggering heightened anxiety or disrupting sleep patterns, common issues associated with caffeine consumption. It contains a unique antioxidant called aspalathin, which has been shown to have a calming effect on the central nervous system. Moreover, Rooibos is rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system and combating stress. Drinking Rooibos tea can also increase alpha brainwave activity, which enhances relaxation and helps to decrease anxiety. Passion flower is a widely recognized natural remedy for alleviating symptoms of stress and anxiety. Its calming properties stem from the presence of flavonoids, which are known to directly impact the central nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. The active compounds in passion flower, including vitexin and isovetexin, have been shown to increase the levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid in the brain. This is an inhibitory neurotransmitter that helps to manage excitability and induce a calming effect on the body. This makes passion flower particularly effective in promoting better sleep. Lemon balm contains rosmarinic acid, which has potent antioxidant properties that can help to calm the mind and improve mood. The herb acts on the brain's neurotransmitter system, particularly enhancing gamma-aminobutyric acid levels, which helps to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Clinical studies have supported its benefits, noting significant improvements in symptoms of mild to moderate anxiety disorders and sleep disturbances when using lemon balm. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is highly revered for its powerful adaptogenic properties, making it an excellent ally in managing stress and anxiety. This herb works by modulating the stress response system, helping to normalize bodily functions disrupted by chronic stress. It enhances the body's ability to maintain balanced cortisol levels, which is crucial for stress regulation. Lavender is widely celebrated for its calming and soothing properties, making it a popular choice for alleviating stress and anxiety. The primary component of lavender, linalool, acts directly on the central nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. This is achieved through its ability to moderate levels of neurotransmitter, gamma-aminobutyric acid, helping to soothe nervous activity and improve mood. Lavender's gentle sedative effects also make it effective in improving sleep quality. For this week's recipe, we took Organic Relief Stress Tea and made some modifications to create a refreshing summer twist. This is the stress-free summer refresher. To begin this recipe, steep 2 teaspoons of Organic Relief Stress Tea leaves and ½ teaspoon of organic lavender and 8 ounces of near boiling filtered water for 7 minutes. Add some honey for sweetener and then let the tea cool. Fill a glass with ice and add in the tea and the coconut milk to complete this recipe. Stay tuned for next week's feature, where we'll continue to explore the diverse and delightful world of teas. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments below or on our social media pages. We love hearing from our community. Until next time, happy sipping!